Hello teacher and partner, my name is Vanessa Tapia. Today I'm going to show you about that website that is called Edmodo. Edmodo is a website in which you can upload your activity, your videos or exams or quiz if you want. That website permits that you add some students to enjoy your class and continue practice of course activity that you are going to upload. If you see that page is like a blog or something like that, the appearance is like that. And how we are going to start to create an content. In that part that is in my class, in the 30 points, you are going to that option that is create a class. In that space, it's going to show you that square in which you are going to put the name of the class. In that case, I'm going to show an example. For example, present continuous. Okay? I don't want to describe the group. I'm going to select the grade. For example, in that case, 8th grade is okay. Select the subject. I'm going to put all because I don't see English class. Okay, the same with the subject. And create the class. Okay. I'm going to wait. Okay, here in that stage you have the options if you want to add a student for to enjoy with you in the class. That I'm going to avoid that steps, and I'm going to continue how do you are going to create an account. So that's the subtitle. This is the name of the person that is creating that document. The grade that you select, that case is 8th grade. And if you see that class, that's the options that you have for to continue create. We have create assignment, select an assignment to copy, create a quiz, and load its 16th quiz. In that case, we are going to create an assignment for to show what do you want to transmit or what do you want to explain. For example, in that moment with present continuous. Then you are going to put the assignment title, present continuous, grammar explanation. Okay. Instructions, look the grammar, how do you have to use, how do you have to use. Okay, it's an example. Okay, and then you have to click in assign. Okay, no, I'm sorry, because I'm going to explain in that part that is attached at attachments. I'm going to touch the structure grammar. In that case, I have the pictures that explain the structure grammar. You can see present continuous tenses in an affirmative sentences, and negative and interrogative sentences. So you are going to assign that post. Now that appeared another square in which do you have to put the date in which do you want that post show or appear. For example, I'm going to put the same days, that is today, 9. and I want that is showed, for example, 2 p.m. Okay? Okay, 2 p.m. No. 4 p.m. because now it's 2:30. So next is to assign. Okay? Okay. And that appear in that part of that blog. I think that that website, that model is like kind of blog. You see all the posts in that part of the page. Okay, if you see, do you have your post? In that case, press continue, look the grammar and how do you have to use it, and that's the explanation. Okay, if you want to add more content, do you have to do the same step, and for example create a quiz. Okay, continue to create a quiz. I really like that space because I'm going to show the different options that you have to create in a quiz. In that first step, you have to detail the quiz. Of course, the subtitle is about the present continuous because that was the lessons that I choose. Present continuous. Continuous. And instructions, for example, in the last post, I explained about the grammar. Okay, so the idea that the quiz is about the grammar explanation. So I'm going to put in a short instruction. Select the best option using the grammar structure. Okay, and now quiz question. Okay, that's the point in which I told you that you have different options for to make a quiz. In that case, we have true or false, multiply choose, short answer, fill in the blanks, or matchings. And in that case, I'm going to, for example, true or false. Okay, and I'm going to put an equation, for example, she are dancing. Remember that the she is in a third person, and she is with is, not with are. So in that case, the correct answer is false. Okay, it's simple. And you have to select the true answers. In that case, is false. Okay. So, do you have to add more questions if you want, 3, 4, 5 questions, and you have to continue doing? In that case, it's just 4 and 1 questions. And the next step is to assign, as we did with the last presentation. Okay, we have another options. The day in which do you want that the students apply that quiz? For example, the day 10 at 5 p.m. It's an example, just an example. And show result to students upon completions. Look after the do. Okay, that's an option. According to what do you want in your quiz. And the final, assign again. Okay. The quiz has been submitted. Okay. And that's the quiz. Present continue. Due to moral questions, all the best options using the grammar structure. Down do you have the explanations about the grammar, something like that. So the idea that a model like is that you try to use that page for present a content, to upload lessons, activity, and of course you can to interact with your students and do something like that. For example, quiz, explanations about the lesson, and if you want to create more document, you have that kind of options. So I invite you to use that model page and try to use it. So thank you. That's all my presentations about Edmodo. Bye bye.